What is the one thing you always forget? Think about it. In this race to become something amazing, in building your business, in looking after your family, what is the one thing that you always forget? And I'll tell you, the secret is very simple. You usually forget yourself. You forget to take care of yourself, you forget to relax, just pause. So I want to talk to you about today about the fact that you need to pause. You deserve to pause. So pause. I mean, we're coming up to the end of the year. This is one of those times that universally is used by people to reflect, to think about what happened, and to plan ahead. And yes, it's very tempting to sit down with a piece of paper and start writing down all of your wishes for next year. And I hang my head in shame. I did recommend that you get your butt out of the chair and do exactly that in a couple of videos ago. But today I want you to take a pause. I want you to exhale right now. Let your shoulders slump. Feel the tension and pressure just ease away. And as soon as you focus on your shoulders, on your neck, you'll realize that you've been carrying a lot of stress with you this year. There have been many ups and downs. You might have achieved some amazing feats, or you might have experienced some bad defeats. We've all had that happen to us. And there are so many different areas of life that make us as a human being that it's very difficult to take stock of that. But maybe now is the time. So, without making plans for the future, take stock of what happened and focus on the good things. Focus on those little wins, those little successes, the little joys, the meeting with friends, the celebrating of your birthday. Maybe finding, I don't know, finding $5 on the side of the street. Focus on that and let yourself relax and breathe. Not the shallow breath that you're used to in that ever pressing race to win, to achieve, to be magnificent. But those deep breaths that you hold in and then slowly exhale. Because you need your body, you need your health, you need your nervous system to be working properly if they are to carry you to the next height, if they are to get you to where you want to go. And your clients need you. Your clients need you to be level, to be yourself, to be well balanced. And you can be your best self only when you let yourself relax. So do that for yourself. And perhaps forego alcohol or whatever you choose to use to kind of stimulate that feeling of happiness. Just pour yourself some tea, herbal tea too. And just give yourself time, maybe some quiet time even. You like music like I do? Sure. Put something less than exciting on. Maybe try to find a quiet spot. And do this for the next 3 days and see how you feel. And if you're ever sitting there and thinking to yourself, oh my God, I should be doing this, that, and the other, and I have a list. Yeah, don't do that. That is exactly what I'm trying to tell you to avoid. Don't look at yourself in the mirror and say, oh, these are all the things that I haven't done. Do not punish yourself. Just smile at yourself. Let those lists sit in your head, on your computer, on that pad of paper. They're not going to go anywhere. Trust me, they're still going to be there. So give yourself some time. And don't pick up the phone. Don't play stupid video games. I know. I'm guilty. I do that all the time. I think I'm relaxing. I'm not. So as much as I'm talking to you, I'm also talking to myself. So let's all relax. Let's enjoy this December, the slide towards the holidays, the celebrations, and hopefully meeting the friends and people you really, really care about. And spending some time with them and telling them the stories of your successes and maybe even your failures. And then, once this is all over, once January is on the doorstep, We'll get back to that pad of paper. We'll get back to those plans. We'll get back to trying to build this business. We'll get back to trying to convince the YouTube algorithm to actually show my videos to you. But not now. For now, relax. And remember, you achieved amazing things this year. They might not be represented in the millions and billions of dollars in your bank account, but that does not mean that those were not amazing things. So feel proud, and we'll talk again next week. Relax.